Hello, and welcome to our segment on the Yoshii collection, one of the longest running collections we have at Morihata. This collection features a variety of fun and colorful designs, a few of which we'll go over here today. To begin with, we're going to look at the animal towel. Now the animal towel is an all terry towel, both sides being terry pile. This comes in several distinct patterns. As you can see, this one's an owl. We also have zebra, bear, and cat. These come in three sizes: small, washcloth size; medium, which is a hand towel size, that's this one; and then we have a large size. Next we have the Puchipuchi towel. Now this towel takes its name from the Japanese word for bubble wrap, for reasons that should be obvious. The Puchipuchi towel features a unique texture that increases its absorbency without increasing the weight of the towel. So you get a very absorbent towel with two different textures that absorbs significant amounts of moisture and dries very quickly. The third type of towel we have from Yoshii is the double-sided chambray towel. This is a shirt stripe in the washcloth size. We also have here one of the two-tone chambray. Now, as you can see, the towels come with a smooth chambray front. On the other side, we have terry pile backing. This gives a second texture on the same towel. These towels are very absorbent and quick to dry, which makes them perfect for the bathroom or the kitchen, and they come in a wide variety of colors and designs. Finally, we have the Ishikuro Bathmat. This is a bath mat patterned based on stones you would find in a bamboo thicket. It creates a very interesting texture, and because these stones are very thick, they absorb significant amounts of moisture, and like all other Yoshii products, they dry pretty quickly. I hope you enjoyed learning about this collection. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at info@morihata.com. Thank you.